everyone, my name is Javed Sheikh and today I will be talking about the essential tips to save money on your new car purchase. Rise in middle class income and the young population have resulted strong growth in automobile industry in India and all over the globe. The amount of new launches coming every year and the new car deal is more tempting than ever to make the car purchase. The advice in this video is based on my accumulated experience of working in automobile industry for over a decade, which can help you to save the unexpected money in your new car purchase. Before we start, I appreciate you putting your faith in watching my video, so I don't take that for granted. In this video, I did my best to cover all the topics that will help you to get most of your time, money and effort of your new car purchase and help you beyond merely planning. Tip number 1, car inventory. What is car inventory? The car which is stacked down for more than 60 days in the showroom is considered to be a vintage stock and an opportunity for you to negotiate and save up to 10% on the ex-showroom value of the new car. Dealerships get their inventory in credit from manufacturers. The credit includes interest. The longer the car sits on a slot, the less the dealership make on that unit. To avoid further losses due to interest charged by the banks, manufacturers, dealers are more eager to liquidate those inventories at a lesser price. All you need to do is just ask them the manufacturing month of the car, and if the car is over 60 days old, you have a chance to negotiate. Tip number 2, your new car insurance. It's not necessary to buy your car insurance from the showroom. The manufacturers will always promote their insurance. The sales executive get commission for selling in-house insurance and they tend to influence the consumers. There are many other companies in the market who are offering the same product with similar features like 1-year comprehensive and 3-year third-party insurance with engine protection and return to invoice on your car insurance. All you need to do is just check for other insurance companies in the market. There's a company called Policybazaar, which is an Indian insurance aggregator and a global financial technology startup where you can compare insurance policies offered by various insurers in India and buy insurance policy online and save up to rupees 20,000 rupees. So in the market, we have few insurance companies like ACO, GoDigit, who are offering up to 70% discount on the new car insurance. So you're getting the same features, everything, but at a lesser price. So it's your call now to buy the insurance from the showroom or which insurance company is giving you a better deal with the same features. Tip number 3, best month to purchase a new car. When to buy a car will really be your call. But if your plan is to use this car for a long term, you could look at making a use of December discount. December has the highest discount and best incentives. You can save approximately up to 20% on the ex-showroom value. Festive months. So you might have seen many ads on newspaper or on YouTube or on social media. The manufacturers and the dealership rolls out attractive schemes to maximize their sales. It is considered to be auspicious and majority of people shop during this period. And month ends. So in the beginning of the month, dealership may not disclose their complete offers. Every dealership have their monthly targets and to fulfill those desired numbers, they tend to give more discount in the end of the month to avoid losing any sales. So think about the month end also. Tip number 4, charging 2% extra on card payments. So this is a malpractice which is happening in India and you might have experienced while buying a liquor or doing shopping where you tend to pay 2% extra and when you ask it they say no, there is an extra charge that you need to pay because you're using a credit card. So this is a very wrong practice which is happening. So I want to highlight and bring some awareness so that you should be careful and you have all rights to not to pay this extra charge. So many dealerships have resumed charging unlawfully a premium from customers who pay with cards, undermining the government efforts to promote digital payments. The agreement retailers sign with banks for car swap device, technically called POS, which is point of sale, contains a clause forbidding them from charging customers for the facility. So banks, when they sign this contract, they have clearly told that they should not charge this extra charge, because this is a service charge which banks charge to the retailers, because they are using this POS technology or the digital payment. So to avoid those charges, they are putting it on the customer, which is not fair, and you have all rights to say no to it. So as per the RBI notification, merchants cannot charge any extra charge on the debit card or the credit card payment. Such fees are not justifiable and are not permissible as per the bilateral agreement between the acquiring bank and the merchants, and therefore calls for termination of the relationship of the bank with such establishment. You have all rights to say no to such charges and stop this malpractice growing. I will share one of my experience when I went to buy a bike, and I did a payment of 1 lakh rupees through credit card, and the dealer asked me to pay 2% extra on it, and I just objected and I said, why should I pay it? When I started asking them more questions, they were like, there was no answer to them, and I said, this service is something which you are wearing it, not me, so I'm not going to pay this, and if you push me for this, I'll definitely highlight this on the consumer forum and complain to the OEM. When I said this, so they all like got scared, and then they just didn't charge me anything. But it's just because I was aware about it, so they didn't charge me. But there are many people who are not aware about it, and they directly go and pay these amounts, which you should not do it. And you can save some amount while buying a new car. Tip number 5: mandatory and non-mandatory prices. So while purchasing a new car, you have to be careful with mandatory and non-mandatory prices. In some dealerships, you may experience a false statement given by the sales executive for the below parameters, which are considered to be mandatory, and that's not true. It's your choice to exclude those non-mandatory fields which can save some money. So it's not really necessary that you have to buy the accessories from the showroom. There are other markets where you can get at a reasonable price, and certain things which is not mandatory and you think that it's not worth it, so you should not go for it. So I'll just show you one table in which you can have a basic idea about what is mandatory field and non-mandatory field. So mandatory field is ex-showroom, RTO, insurance, FASTag, handling charges, hypothecation, basic kit. And the non-mandatory field is extended warranty, temporary registration, return to invoice, car treatment, roadside assistance, smart card and paint protection. So it's in your hand that whether you should choose it or not. Tip number 6: accessories. A dealer added option is an accessory that a car dealer installs on a vehicle after they receive it from the manufacturer. Dealership add these items because they have high profit margins, up to 50%, and most of the people don't try to negotiate them. So here is a chance for you to ask for discount with no hesitation. So buying an accessories is not that you could go in the dealership and from there only you can get it. You can also explore the market. Again, I'm telling you, you can see the market, and there are many other accessories that you can get it at a reasonable price, and it will help you to save some money. So I have almost covered all the major points which will definitely help you to save some money on your new car purchase. There might be something which I have missed out, so I want to know from your side also. So what are the other ideas can you add to this list I may have not mentioned? If you enjoyed watching this video, share it with your friends, with your families who are willing to buy a new car, and this will definitely add value and help them to save some money. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I wish you luck for your new car purchase. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.